This loaded potato soup recipe is here to satisfy your comfort food cravings without the guilt. It's made with the magic of cream cheese instead of heavy cream, and it's velvety, hearty, and incredibly delicious, all while being lower in calories and fat than traditional potato soup. Chop 4 slices of bacon, add them to the pressure cooker, and then saute until crispy. I like them really crispy. Remove them from the pan and set aside to drain. While the bacon's cooking, chop 1 onion, 3 stalks of celery, and a couple cloves of garlic. Add them to the bacon fat and saute for another 5 to 7 minutes until they're soft. Peel and chop 2 pounds of russet potatoes. For me, that was about 4 potatoes, 4 cups. Add the potatoes, broth, and salt and pepper to the pressure cooker. Set the pressure cooker for 9 minutes on high. If you're doing this on the stovetop, you'll need to let the potatoes cook for around 45 minutes. When the potatoes are soft, just add in 4 ounces of cream cheese. You can then mash the potatoes or use an immersion blender depending on how chunky you want the soup. Top it with the chopped bacon, grated cheddar cheese, and green onions. This was so good, we ate the entire pot in 24 hours. Just got our first snow of the season today, and I made this baked potato soup in the crock pot. Can you see it? About to take my first bite. Ooh, that's good. You gotta try this one. Follow GrownupDish for healthy-ish recipes, product reviews, and midlife musings.